more brake, some more. First gear.
Oh, hold a second there. For that position, Declan, now...
Crazy. And the former Republic of Ireland midfielder Andy Townsend joined Alan Brazil on the Breakfast Show earlier on in the week and spoke about Man City's Phil Foden. He said he expects Foden to reclaim his spot in the City team.
Know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Yes. See your right mirror. See what I mean? That's why you check for people like that.
Yeah.
Extremely healthy, just the right weight, no meditations, really healthy. I'm also electing.
This isn't a dating site, Elaine. I don't.
Shame.
Take the A298 exit.
Yes. Carry on. More gas, be more confident. Come on now. Yeah, show confidence.
Get the second half price. Visit Boots in-store or online today.
Okay, Garmin. Save indication here. Maintain your left lane fast. No indication here. There's a drive there. See what I mean?
Yeah.
That's that guy. See what I mean? Could have used that indicator. Check your left mirror, indicate left. Touchdown. That's good. Don't see no line. Don't assume that ahead tells you should still be on the right lane. So when the bus lane finishes, check your left mirror. There's nobody there. Check your left mirror. Go to the left lane like that. Beep this guy. Beep this guy. Beep him. Come on now. Can't stop there. What kind of nonsense is this? Okay.
Anybody else, but when I was 28 years old, believe me, I wanted to have some all the time. Okay? So if you don't have the urges for her all the time or more than once a week, that could be an impact of your former POV addiction. And you're working, obviously, you've been watching the POV for a long time, and you were obviously watching that because...
Emphasise the economic perspective of why it's worth studying German. Young people want to study languages to be able to communicate with others, to learn about different cultures, you know, to actually learn about...
Of an era that thought if you were doing sociology at O-level or A-level, it was because you couldn't cut the mustard on what I would once have called proper subjects. It's funny how, I know I obsess about this, but I think it's only nice, but it is often present, it is still there. Stay on the line, Sophie, tell the producer your husband's name, just so that I can place you. I won't ask you to do that on the radio, that would be embarrassing. 22 minutes after 12, Sandra is in a way she wouldn't trust anyone else, and a bond developed between us. Therefore, from time to time, I did not object to providing her with financial assistance. It became our little secret, and she visited me from time to time. Only later did I understand the reason for their mutual dislike, since they both hid it.
Okay. First gear, and then hold it there. Just wait for them. Find your bite. Find your bite. Off the brake. Go around her. Lights will change, remember? Yes. Not. Okay, Garmin, save video.
Grammar and strong. I remember when I discovered them at university, and I also went to see them live around that time. And Hannah, the lead singer, she has the most incredible voice live. I loved hearing her.
Okay, Garmin.
Not take responsibility for the child until I was 100% sure it was mine. She eventually agreed and said she would do anything I asked her to do to stay married. I then told her we would keep this matter from our young children, but would need to tell our parents tomorrow so they know what's going on.